Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the install suspended error in Call of Duty. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest Studio UI navigation. Locate the Call of Duty Modern Warfare game on the main menu of your console user interface and technicality. Press the Options button on your controller, the one with the three bars. On the follow-up screen, choose the high-end Manage Game and Add-Ons option. It ensures your studio environment is interacting directly with the latest OS storage protocols. Next, initialize the Technical Studio Pack selection. To ensure your latest market analysis of the installation is technicality accurate, you must verify that the high-end multiplayer assets are technicality flagged for deployment. Select Call of Duty Modern Warfare on the follow-up menu to technicality view the full high-end asset list. Scroll through in technicality. Select the specific multiplayer pack provided on the list to ensure it is marked for the latest session. This step technicality points your studio rig toward the missing high-end data tunnels required for the latest competitive matches. Next, execute high-end studio installation finalization. Choose the Save Changes option at the bottom of the technical list. The high-end pack will now be technicality downloaded and installed to your studio storage environment. It removes the amateur quality data gaps from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional speed during latest sessions. Once the high-end download technicality completes, restart your console to finalize all latest registry changes. Your high-end performance is live, allowing you to return to the latest competitive market. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.